Welcome back, everyone. It was cooler today than it was yesterday's. High temperatures were only in the 40s and the 50s for most of us. Right now, it is cool outside. Its temperatures are currently in the 40s in most locations. 48 in Havre, 47 in Chinook, 43 in Great Falls, and down to 39 degrees in Cut Bank right now. Has been windy throughout the day today along the Rocky Mountain front, and it's still windy right now. East of the Rocky Mountain front, we have had gusty winds throughout the day today, but the wind has been diminishing some over the past couple of hours. So right now, it's just breezy out there. And as we go through tonight, east of the Rocky Mountain front, it will be breezy in some areas with sustained wind speeds generally between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Along the Rocky Mountain front, it will be pretty windy for most of tonight. Sustained wind speeds between 15 and 35 miles per hour. Wind gusts over 50 miles per hour are going to be possible at times. And then heading into tomorrow, more wind is in the forecast along the Rocky Mountain front, as well as in locations east of the Rocky Mountain front. We are going to have gusty winds around tomorrow. Sustained wind speeds generally between 10 and 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts over 40 miles per hour are going to be possible at times. This will be a warmer wind tomorrow, as it is going to be coming out of the south or the southwest in most spots. Widespread breezy conditions continue as we go through tomorrow night, and then on Thursday, it will be very windy along the Rocky Mountain front. Sustained wind speeds between 20 and 40 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour going to be possible at times. And in locations east of the Rocky Mountain front, it will be a pretty windy day as well, with sustained wind speeds generally between 15 and 30 miles per hour. And wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour going to be possible at times, but that wind will diminish as we head into Thursday evening and Thursday night. On the Great Falls Clinic Icon, we started today off with overcast skies, but we have had decreasing clouds throughout the day today, and this was a shot from about an hour ago before the sun did set. We ended today with mainly sunny skies. Still some rain and snow in eastern Montana from the disturbance that did work its way through the central part of the state overnight, and there's another disturbance working its way into the west coast right now, and this will begin to impact western Montana during the second half of tomorrow. Then it will pass through the central part of Montana as we head into Wednesday night. This disturbance will behave similarly to the disturbance that impacted our area overnight, meaning that most of the precipitation will remain along and west of the Continental Divide. Overnight tonight, we are going to have mostly clear skies, a couple snow showers in the mountains. Most of us will be dry though. For tomorrow, we are going to have increasing clouds throughout the day, so overall you can expect partly cloudy skies. Dry throughout much of Montana during the morning, but some rain and snow is expected along and west of the Continental Divide as we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Tomorrow night, we are going to have partly cloudy skies with some rain and snow along and west of the Continental Divide. And a few isolated areas of rain and snow are possible in southern portions of north central Montana later on tomorrow night, but most of us will be dry. And then on Thursday, a couple stray rain and mountain snow showers possible during the morning. Most of us will continue to remain dry and will have decreasing clouds throughout the day, so we'll end the day with mostly sunny skies. Chillier tonight than it was last night, lows in the mid to upper 20s and lower 30s. And then we are going to have above average temperatures again tomorrow and Thursday. High temperatures are going to be topping out in the upper 40s and low to mid 50s in most locations. Heading into Friday, it will be chillier, a high temperature of only 46 in Great Falls, and some rain and snow is possible as we head into Friday evening and Friday night. Mostly sunny and 44 on Saturday, back to 50 on Sunday, but cooler early next week.